What if I told you there's a Swiss city so stunning that even the Alps bow down to its beauty? Welcome to Lucerne, Switzerland, where fairy tales come to life and every corner looks like a postcard. Imagine soaring above the iconic Chapel Bridge, a 14th century wooden masterpiece that stretches across crystal-clear turquoise waters. Watch as medieval towers pierce the skyline, while Lake Lucerne shimmers like liquid sapphire beneath dramatic Alpine peaks. But wait, there's more. Glide past the legendary Lion Monument, carved into living rock, a tribute that will move your soul. Then ride the cable car up Mount Pilatus, where panoramic views will literally take your breath away. Stroll through cobblestone streets lined with painted facades, where history whispers from every archway. As golden hour paints the city in amber light, you'll understand why Lucerne isn't just a destination. It's an experience that stays with you forever. This is Switzerland at its absolute finest, captured in breathtaking 4K from perspectives you've never seen before. Subscribe now, because our next aerial journey will blow your mind.